Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about the new palette from Chanel. It is Candeur et Séduction. So as you maybe already know, Chanel released two palettes. One is Candeur et Séduction and the other one is Candeur et Provocation. So I decided to go for Candeur et Séduction because it was the only one new palette available on Chanel website in Italy when I decided to buy. And I'm quite happy to have chosen this one because I saw there are very berry tones, so more cool, and they are quite wearable. I thought they were so strong and pigmented, but yes, they are good pigments, but they blend to fade out. So I mean, they are matte but with a very light texture, so you can blend them and fade them to nothing. So they are perfect if you wanna get kind of a smoky look, maybe just the way you could use Candeur at Experience. So this is the look I created, and this is the palette I'm gonna show you. So I already use it and it's not perfectly untouched. So there is this very light pink tone, and this is the only shade that is satin. Yes, I don't call it metallic, but it's satin. And this is a berry tone, cool. This is a warm pink shade with a little touch of brown, and this is a cherry. Yes, I call it cherry, pink cherry. And I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hands. So this is the swatches. You see, they are pigmented, but they can really fade. So the texture is quite light. I mean that you can also achieve a soft look. I was afraid that this palette could be too harsh in a way, because I saw many strong looks with this palette. And if you have green hazel eyes, these shades will look great on you, in my opinion, because it's red, pink is the opposite of green. But you have to follow the cool and warm component of your eyes. I mean, if your eyes are cooler, you have to choose a cool pink, berry tones that will contrast with your eyes, but they will follow the undertones, I mean. And this is also the suggestion I give for light blue eyes. So I filmed this look in the second part of the video, if you're interested. I combined it with Lisa Eldridge Velvet Myth, that is a very beautiful lipstick shade, and I explain also why in the second part of the video I chosen this lipstick shade. So if you love this look, keep on watching. And I'm gonna start using this shade. Taking a flat brush, I blend a little bit. I diffuse color a little bit in a straight way, and a little bit here also. So what I'm gonna do is trying to achieve a soft smoky pink effect, and I have to suggest you not to go in this point with this kind of color, because you can really look a little bit muddy. I don't know how to explain, a little bit sick. So you have to keep a little bit brighter this area, even if in this step. And you point out this shade here. So the shade is very pretty and absolutely not so strong. I mean, it's wearable. So let's take the deepest color, Mauve Baritone, and let's go in the outer part and intensify color a little bit. Clean brush and blend. Take this cherry color, can we call it cherry? Something like this, and I take a flat brush and I wanna add a little touch of color here. And then I blend. Flat brush, and with the very dark shade I add a little touch of color here and here. Bring your brush a little bit and blend it again. So it's all about blending, I mean, to make this look wearable. And you can go a little bit up, but not so much, just to fade all the color. So with this warmer shade, I mean, this is the warmer one. Now that you have done this red strange eyeshadow look, you have to line your eyes a little bit, because if you don't have this kind of contrast, you really can't catch the real look. So you need a little bit of definition, and I'm gonna use a black very subtle eye pencil. This is Noir Intense from Chanel. A flat brush, I'm gonna smudge with the berry eyeshadow. Also underneath. So now I'm gonna put this casual pencil in my waterline. This is Ombre from Chanel, and it's very warm brown tone. Now I put my mascara on, and this is a sample of Sumptuous Extreme Mascara from Estée Lauder. This is the brush. So you can work your lashes with this kind of look, a little bit more berry shade, and blend the outer edge a little bit. I take the lightest shade with my finger and I apply a little bit of light here and here. I wanna blend it with all the look, and put also a little touch here in the inner corner. I take Malice blush, so it's quite a red coral shade. I go also to the temples. I wanna let you see this palette in action by itself, but you can really add a little bit of contour to create a more definition look. So I decided to use Velvet Myth from Lisa Eldridge, and it's got kind of berry undertones, but it's also vibrant. I blur it with my finger. There are two reasons because I love these two products together, because this violet berry undertones really contrast with the green of my hazel eyes, but also the cherry and a little bit warm pink colors in the eyeshadow palette try to suit this green component I got in my hazel eyes. So there are the cool and the warm contrast, and I like how the green comes out, and also because Velvet Myth has got this velvet finish, and also the eyeshadow palette has got this very matte effect, so it really matches in a way also as a texture. With Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat number 2, I take Q-tip and I'm gonna correct some shadow. So this is my finished look. So let me know also if you wanna see another look with this palette. I hope this video could be helpful for you. If it's so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!